Hello students, here we discuss the topic organizing, in which we discuss the importance of organizing. Organizing is an important function of management. The literal meaning of the word organizing means to arrange systematically or in a proper sequence or in a order. Organizing is the process of organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the activities of an enterprise and establishing authority relationships among them. It is known as organizing. So students, organizing means process of identifying and grouping the activities of an enterprise and establishing authority relationships among them. It is known as organizing. Here we prepare a flow chart. Organizing means to arrange systematically or in a proper sequence or in a proper order. It is known as organizing. Now we are going to discuss the importance of organizing. The important points relating to its importance are such as importance of organizing. The important points are such as number 1, benefits of specialization. Benefits of specialization. Then number 2, clarity in working relationships. Working relationships. And the third point of its importance is efficient administration. Efficient administration. Next, optimum utilization of resources. And next point is expansion and growth. Expansion and growth. So students, these are the important points of importance of organizing. Now let us discuss one by one all these points. The first point is benefit of specialization. Specialization, the whole work in an organizing and all the activities are distributed among the employees according to their capabilities, according to their skills, according to their knowledge. Due to this, the whole work is properly distributed among the employees and it helps in increases the productivity and it also save the wastage of time. So the whole work is distributed among the employees according to their specialization, according to their skills. Next point is clarity in working relationship. With the help of proper organizing, there is a proper clarity in the communication process. The authority and responsibilities are very clear among the employees. They know very well who is responsible for whom. So there is a clarity in working relationship. Next point is efficient administration. With the help of better organizing, organizing plays a very crucial role in setting up the standard of efficient and effective administration without any problem. The whole task has been done with the help of proper planning. So, organizing makes the management effective administration. The next point is optimum utilization of resources. With the help of organizing, with the help of better arrangement, all the resources, for example, capital, equipment, and human resources are properly utilized in an organization. And this process helps to stop the wastage of resources. Now students, the fifth point is expansion and growth. Organizing also helps and expand the activities of the organization and it provides an effective and efficient growth in an organization. With the help of proper organizing, organizing can expand their activities. With the help of expansion, their sale volume also increases and they earn more and more profit in an organization. So students, all these are the important points of organizing. Thank you, students.